If you are going through heartbreak right now, I need you to know that it is okay to not be okay. I invite you to stop fixing your feelings, stop wanting to feel better right now, and just sit with this discomfort. Feel everything that's coming up and remind yourself that your body can handle it. No matter how much it hurts you, you can feel it. I remember when I was going through my journey, and one of the reasons why I didn't want to move on from my specific person and I just kept myself attached to him was because I didn't want to feel the pain of losing him. Even though at the time I just knew he wasn't into me anymore. Forget love. I don't think he liked me towards the end. And I still stayed because I was hungry for love and attention and I didn't want to let him go. He wasn't giving me any of that towards the end of our relationship, but I still associated him with that love and affection. And instead of prioritizing myself and walking away, I stayed and did everything I could to get his attention. And you know, if you've been in the same position, begging someone for their time and energy is incredibly exhausting and painful. And I just hit rock bottom at one point and I told myself enough is enough. I have to walk away no matter how painful this will get. I'm willing to find myself again because I had lost so much of who I was and I was unrecognizable to myself and I couldn't live that way. I walked away with one belief that I was going to be okay. Maybe not right now, not tomorrow, not next month, but eventually I will be. And guess what? I am. So sit with that discomfort. I know it hurts, but you can feel it. If you need support, I have a program. It's a 30-day tapping journey to heal heartbreak. I can guarantee you in 30 days, you will feel like a brand new person. You will go from heartbreak to magnetic just by doing the inner work 15 minutes a day. You don't have to overwhelm yourself. Just give yourself 15 minutes every day to heal and it will work. There's also a free tapping meditation that you can try. Just go to the link at the top of my page for that. I believe in you. I hope to see you inside the program. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.